Hello there, Aries. So this is your reading for August until October 2026. So this is a 3-month reading for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Aries, I do not read reversals. I also do not take cards that pop out. Aries, you got the Three of Wands, the Sun, wow, and the World. Alright, Aries. By the way, I try to read this column as your past energy, this is your present, and this will be your future energy. However, if that doesn't fit or yung mga messages natin doesn't uh, don't fit in any of the timeline I mentioned, for example, yung pwedeng past energy mo, or the past column, ngayon mo pa lang siya nararamdaman sa present energy mo, that could happen, Aries. No? Hindi naman natin i-force na mag-fit in yon. But with the Three of Wands, I feel like you're ready to take action, Aries, on something na you have planned. No? This is also a card of expansion, no? Yung Three of Wands, no? Parang ready ka nang mag-expand, mag-grow, and iwan yung comfort zone mo. Kasi yung bago yung Three of Wands, yung Two of Wands, no, na card, nasa comfort zone pa siya. Nandun pa siya sa castle niya. However, with the Three of Wands, sa ibang territory na siya. So, he's ready to to leave his comfort zone. And with the Sun, I can really see na this could have a positive, really positive outcome. Now, let's clarify the Three of Wands. With the Three of Wands, you got the Ten of Wands. With the Ten of Wands, Aries, actually, ito kasi yung card na sobrang burdened ka. No? Burdened ka because of the different responsibilities you have. And yung ibang responsibilities dito, maaaring hindi sa'yo, Aries. No? Pwedeng sa ibang tao. If this is about your career, I feel like you wanted to grow, no, outside of this career or this workplace that you are currently in right now, because maybe you are burdened. Let's clarify the Ten of Wands, please. With the Ten of Wands, you got the Judgment. It's a card of awakening, no, yung Judgment. So, ito nga yung pwedeng ma-realize mo or pwedeng na-realize mo na in the past, Aries, no? Parang suddenly na-awaken ka na, I've been doing all of these responsibilities, and etong mga responsibilities na to pwedeng pinapasa lang sa'yo. No? That's why you wanted growth, and maybe hindi mo naman talaga to nakukuha dito sa workplace na to. No? If this is about your love life, pwedeng sobrang burdened ka, no? Sa relationship, pwedeng ikaw yung gumagawa ng lahat ng responsibilities, ikaw yung sobrang involved sa relationship, and the other person is not. Let's clarify the Judgment. With the Judgment, you got the King of Cups. Aries, I feel like you're also trying to find yung balance, no, ng emotions mo, or kung paano mo iba-balance yung emotions mo and yung kasi King of Cups is all about emotions talaga, no? Is emotionally balanced. No, that's what I'm trying to say. So, uh, parang ayun yung energy na gusto mong makuha. I'm not sure, Aries, if you're feeling emotional instability in your recent past or baka lately, no, parang napapansin mo medyo nagiging unstable yung emotions mo, and maybe you are becoming aware of that, no, and maybe that imbalance was caused by this Ten of Wands here, no, because pwedeng burnt out ka na, no, Aries. Now, let's clarify the Sun. Sabi ko, I don't take pop outs. So, you got the Ace of Cups here na nag-pop out yung card na Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups is a card of new beginning, actually. But let's clarify the Sun. Oops. With the Sun, you got the Three of Swords. Now, I do not know if itong energy na to pwedeng tapos na, no? This have already happened, no? It could be that you're expecting for a certain outcome. You're expecting for a certain outcome, pero hindi ayun yung nangyari. And it could have hurt you. However, Three of Swords is also a card of healing. Oh. As you can see, no, if we take a closer look at Three of Swords, it's raining, no, in the background of the Three of Swords. Now, yung rain, kagaya ng nararanasan natin ngayon dito sa Philippines, no, parang buong month na, no, umuulan. Pero alam natin na at some point, yung ulan na yun titigil. And we will see the sun, no? So, that's it, Aries, no? That could be your message na it's all about healing. If you're going through something difficult right now, you have to as I know na it's easier said than done, no? Pero you have to be optimistic, no? Kasi Sun is a card of optimism, no? Napaka-vibrant niya, 'di ba? So these cards, no, are asking you to keep your faith, to be optimistic, no? And eventually, lahat to merong end. No? The world card is a card of completion. Now, I do not get a heavy energy with the Three of Swords. Parang I feel like it's just all about healing. No? You're healing, Aries. If you have been burned out in the past, you've been doing a lot of things, no? A lot of positive things, no? Or yun nga, yung mga bagay na makakapag-bring ng happiness sa life mo, Aries, then it's one way for you to heal. Let's try to clarify the Three of Swords. With the Three of Swords, you got the Chariot. Chariot is all about controlling, no, your life, your fate, your destiny, no. So, yung charioteer dito sa card na to, he's trying to be in control, no? Trying to be in control of his life, basically. And I feel like ito din yung ma-realize mo, Aries. Kasi sabi natin dito kanina with the Judgment card, no, di ba you're becoming aware of something? And that could be that. you're becoming aware that you are actually in control of your life. If you wanted to expand, if you wanted to grow, if you wanted to put these burdens down, you can absolutely do it, Aries. No? It's your choice, no? You have a choice, Aries. With the Chariot, you got the Queen of Swords. Aries, if you have people pleasing tendencies, no? Baka ayun yung pwede mong iwasan, no? Or ma-overcome. The Queen of Swords, very straightforward ang Queen of Swords, no? Kahit na very nurturing ang mga queen sa tarot, ang Queen of Swords, parang hindi siya ganun ka-emotional. No? Or you actually got the King of Cups here. I feel like ikaw yung balance, or at least you're trying, no, to balance your emotions with your with your logic, no, or with your logical mind, no. Parang you're trying your best to be rational, but at the same time yung emotional aspect ng mga bagay-bagay hindi mo kinakalimutan. And that's good for you, Aries. And also, when you're carrying the burdens or the responsibilities of other people, no? Ayun yung nakikita ko kasi dito sa Queen of Swords. Parang it's asking you to speak up for yourself, no? To be sometimes you have to be cutting, no? Na straightforward to people na if you don't want to accept their responsibilities, you have to make yourself very clear. No? With the World, you got the... Alright, I was thinking, no, kanina na makukuha mo to. Kasi sabi ko nga kanina, parang I feel like you are carrying the burdens of others, the responsibilities of other people. And with the Seven of Wands, this is a card of boundaries, drawing boundaries. Okay, Aries. I feel like you might be completing something, no? You're trying to complete something. However, I feel like, yes, magkakaroon ka ng completion on something. This could be a project or whatever, no? Pero, ang nagiging parang obstacle is your people-pleasing tendencies, no? Aries, if you're burned out because of the responsibilities na pinapasa sa'yo, try to heal from it, no? Kailangan matuto kang mag-set ng boundaries. At you have to make yourself very clear to other people na you're not accepting, no, yung mga burdens nila, mga responsibilities nila, because you also have your own. But I feel like you have to say this in a very loving way pa rin, no? With the King of Cups. Minsan may mga ganong type ng tao, Aries, diba? Na parang nasasabi nila, na-articulate nila ng maayos yung gusto nilang i-convey na message. In a way na parang sobrang balance pa rin nila, na hindi sila nagiging overly emotional. And actually, yung mga ganong type ng tao, mas respected sila. No? And you will not earn the respect of people if you are always, no, uh, accepting kung ano man yung binibigay nila sa'yo, no? Na kahit hindi mo naman responsibilities 'to, pero sige, tatanggapin mo. Aris, this is just ano 'no, for me, personal opinion ko lang. Hindi ka irerespeto ng tao 'pag gano'n. Now, baka medyo offensive yung dating, but let's try to clarify the Seven of Wands. With the Seven of Wands, you got the Ten of Pentacles. I feel like this is really about your career, Aries, no? Ten of Pentacles kasi they're very established, no? Yung people dito, parang they got everything, no? Yung abundance, no? The money, the life, no? That they want. Nasa kanila na. And I feel like you really value this career. You really value your job, no? Kasi it provides something for you, Aries. However, yun nga, baka merong isang aspect doon na hindi na masyadong okay. Pero with the sun, I feel like meron kang positive outcome, no? Magkakaroon ka ng positive outcome dito, Aries. Now, I wanted to clarify the Ten of Pentacles. With the Ten of Pentacles, you got the Hermit. Aries, use your wisdom. I'm sure, Aries, you're very wise, very intelligent. Use that. Use that, Aries. And actually, itong King of Cups, Queen of Swords, and the Hermit, from what I'm feeling right now, parang sila talaga yung mga wise, no, na archetypes sa tarot. The Hermit is really talaga an archetype of wisdom. Ayun talaga originally yung meaning ng the Hermit. Let's try to, I'm asking, no, sa isip ko kanina for the outcome. You got the Seven of Cups. So, it's all about having a lot of options in the future. Now, Aries, if you are brewing that idea, no, sa mind mo na gusto mo nang umalis sa workplace mo currently, I feel like in the future magkakaroon ka ng maraming options. Pero I'm not telling you to leave your job without a concrete plano kung ano, or kung wala ka pang lilipatan. That's too risky, Aries. Huwag mong gagawin yun. However, if it's draining you, no, it will be your call, Aries. Use your wisdom, sabi nga dito sa The Hermit. Another card for you is the Emperor. I feel like you're ready. You're ready for maybe another opportunity, no? The Emperor is very powerful. Meron siyang authority. Sabi ko nga kanina, you have to draw your boundaries here. And with the Emperor, I'm not sure, no, if you are in a position of power and yet parang feeling mo pwedeng ganito yung story mo, no, Aries. Pwedeng yun nga, nasa higher position ka, but then you feel like you are taking all the responsibilities. Kaya pwedeng burned out ka, no? Ito yung nakikita ko dito sa Ten of Wands. Even if even if you possess that power, no, and that authority, somehow ikaw pa rin yung gumagawa ng lahat. And Aries, you have to really reflect on yourself. If are you micromanaging people? I'm not saying you are, or are you being too kind, no, to the point na yun nga, wala ka ng boundaries. However, another way to see the emperor is, if yun nga, you're searching for an opportunity, the emperor is saying that you are prepared, no, you are prepared for something better. Kasi you got the Seven of Wands, marami kang options. Oops, nag-slip yung mga cards. Now, one last card for Aries. Let's draw one more card for Aries. Oops. You got the Eight of Pentacles, which is all about working. You have a lot of Pentacle cards here. No, actually, parang dalawa lang ata. Pero I can really sense na this is all about your career. Wala akong masyadong masense uh, na love and relationship dito sa reading mo, no, Aries. I feel like meron kang something na wino-work on, no, with the Eight of Pentacles, and you really wanted to work, no, you really wanted for it to be completed, no. Nakikita ko naman, Aries, with the World card, no, mako-complete tong project mo na 'to, and nasa tabi siya ng Sun, so really positive outcome. So whatever you're working on, Aries, just continue to work on it. Um, Parang sinasabi din dito na you have to be very emotionally strong. Ipakita mo yung authority mo, no? Even in yourself, no, Aries, minsan iniisip natin na hindi tayo in control sa mga bagay-bagay. Masyado nating parang ina-underestimate din yung mga kaya natin gawin, yung skills natin. Nawawalan tayo ng confidence, no, Aries. But with the Emperor, I feel like you have the authority on something talaga. Meron kang kayang gawin, no, Aries. So, well, anyway, that's it. Now I will pull one card from the Sacred Traveler Oracle card. And Aries, you got the Transformation. What a beautiful card, no? A fresh new way of living emerges. Now, let me read it. Let me read the message for you, Aries. Transformation, a fresh new way of living emerges. You are in a time of huge transformation. Old beliefs, ideas, and decisions about who you are and what you deserve in life are dropping away, replaced by incredible vitality and new pathways. Soon you'll be experiencing the world in a fresh, new way. The Sacred Traveler wants you to know the journey transforms the traveler. When the traveler arrives at the destination, the traveler is no longer the same person who started out. Even if there are some areas that may be murky or unsettled in your life, don't be concerned. This is a confusion that often appears before the rebirth. Like the phoenix that arises majestically from the ashes, a big change in your life is at hand. Don't hold on to ways of viewing the world and limited ways of thinking. Be willing to see the world with fresh new eyes. Changes are afoot, and it's all so very good. So that's it, Aries. Thank you so much for watching your reading. And if you find any of my messages, any of the messages helpful, no? Please like and leave a comment kasi that would really help my channel because as you can see, uh, I am new to I'm new to YouTube basically. So I'm trying to earn new subscribers. So that's it, Aries. Thank you so much and see you on the next reading.